students, in vectors we are going to learn types of vectors today. Okay, first one is like vectors or parallel vectors. Like vectors or parallel vectors. What is meant by like vectors? Two or more vectors representing the same physical quantity. They are representing same physical quantity are called like vectors or parallel vectors when they act parallel to each other. When they act parallel to each other, however their magnitudes may be different. Means magnitude are going to be different. That type of vectors are called like vectors. Suppose this represents the vector A bar. This represents the vector B bar. This can represent the vector C bar. Here, these are the three vectors. Here, the magnitude of A bar is different that of B bar. The magnitude of A bar is different that of C bar. But these three physical quantities represent these three vectors represent same physical quantity. Okay, these type of vectors are called like vectors or parallel vectors. Second one, unlike vectors, or we can call as anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vectors. Two vectors are said to be parallel. Anti-parallel vectors are unlike vectors representing the same physical quantity. Here also, two or more vectors representing same physical quantities are said to be unlike vectors or anti-parallel vectors. They act in opposite direction. They act in opposite direction. They act in opposite direction. However, their magnitudes can be different. The type of vectors we call unlike vectors or anti-parallel vectors. Suppose, for example, this indicates A bar. Suppose another vector is representing like this. This is another vector B bar. This A bar and B bar are acting in opposite direction. Then their magnitudes also may be different. Magnitudes may be different. These two vectors we can call as unlike vectors or anti-parallel vectors. Third type of vector is equal vectors. When two vectors are called equal vectors when their magnitude and direction are same. When their magnitude and direction are same, the type of vectors we can call as equal vectors. For example, let us consider this is a vector A bar and another vector is B bar. In this example, the magnitude of A bar is same to that of a B bar and direction is also same. The type of vectors are called equal vectors. Fourth one is a negative vector. Fourth one is here it is negative vector. What is meant by negative vector? A vector having same magnitude. A vector having same magnitude and opposite in direction. That of a given vector. That of a given vector is called negative vector of that given vector. Okay, a vector having same magnitude and opposite in direction that of a given vector is called negative vector of that given vector. Suppose A bar is a vector and another vector having same magnitude. This is also same magnitude but in opposite direction. That's why this is called negative vector of the given vector A bar. A bar is a vector having same magnitude. This is also having same magnitude. Okay, magnitude is same. And opposite in direction. Direction is opposite direction of a given vector is called negative vector of a given vector. Okay, and next one is fifth vector is a co-initial vector. Fifth one is a co-initial vectors. The number of vectors are said to be co-initial vectors. Their initial point is same. Their initial point is same. The type of vectors they can call as co-initial vectors. That will be the initial point. That this is the A bar vector, and this is the B bar vector, and this is the C bar vector, and this is the D bar. For all these four vectors, the initial point is same. That is point O. This type of vectors are called co-initial vectors. Sixth one is collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear vectors representing the same physical quantity if they act along the same line. They act along a same line. They act along a same line. The type of vectors are called collinear vectors. Suppose this is a vector A bar. However, their magnitudes may be different. This vector is A bar. This vector is B bar. These two vectors are lying in a same line. However, their magnitudes may be different. The magnitude of B bar is different than that of A bar. And one more example, A bar is like this. I have to take B bar in this direction. Okay. They both are acting in a same line. The type of vectors are called collinear vectors. These are not unlike vectors or antiparallel. Why? Because they are acting in same line. Because they are acting same line. That's why these vectors are called collinear vectors. Not unlike vectors or antiparallel vectors. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.